Go and create a website using the Hostinger. If you want to create your website in a very easy steps, here are the tutorial for this 2025. So you need first the Hostinger, and if you want to have this, you can go to our description for our link below. This Hostinger tutorial is the step-by-step procedures on how to create a website. And you can create your own website in a different niche. So let's dive into it. So here is the prices for the Hostinger. If you want to go to premium or the business or in the cloud setup. For me, this is the most popular, and I also use this one. So I use the 48-month term. And if you don't have enough money for this and you are just starting up, you can also use this one so that you can easily give money to them. So this premium is also for startup. So here is the features. You can have 100 website and this one, so different. And about this one, you can also have here like that. And this one, the cloud setup, the more expensive one, you can have this. If you have a big company or big provide, so you can use this one. But for now, let's go, and here we can choose this plan. At first, you can have this and click on myself, then click create a website, and here click the Hostinger website builder and click on next. Then in this portion, you just skip this and go to use temporary domain. Website type, just go in here, and the brand name. For website type, this is your title. For example, it's about the, like me, it's about the website builder. For example, this. And then the brand name, ano yung brand name nyo. And the description, here in the description, you just first say what your website all about. And the second, your offering. And the third, what will how can you help them. This is the example of my website type. For example, is portfolio. The brand name is, for example, is about surfing. And in the description, you have here your personal information, like in up to here. And then what is website all about? Showcasing my portfolio, attract clients, and offer easily booking. And then what are you looking for? I'm looking for a vibrant, adventurous design, like that. And now after that, just click on create a website. So this is AI create your own website. Just click here. And by the way, if you want to have your own color palette, you can also click on color palette. But for now, let's go in create a website, because this is for you if you want to add your color palette or your branding. But for now, let's go here, create a website. And this is an example of the AI creation. So you see this. This is the title, and this is the headlines, and this is the description. And you can also choose what's your, like this one, the image. You can also check your website in a mobile phone using this one. If you have using desktop, you can use this, mobile phone using this, so that you can also try the how it will appear on your mobile phones. Now, if you have something you want to change, just go back to AI form and you can change that. If we're happy with this one, I just go in edit sites so that we can edit and create our own website. It depends on our liking. So just click edit site. First, just click on this one so that we can change this. Then click edit text and then change this. And to change the button, just click on the button. Then click this edit button. Change this for your liking. For example, is send or something book. Then click your website link in this portion and then choose the page. Long press the image so that you can put that on the center or on here, top or on button. Now, if you want to change the image on your website, just click on the image and click on edit image. Click on replace image. And then upload your image that you want to upload in here. And then select the new image. If you add new elements on your page, just click on here, plus icon. And here you can see different elements like text, the button, add to bag, image, gallery, videos, and so on. For example, let's add a button. Just click this one, hold, and drag into here. So now this is the button that you drag from here. So drag, long press your mouse, drag into here. Then click edit button. Then edit this if you like to put something like send, portfolio, something like that. If you want to add new section, just click on add section. You can also add this add blank section, or you can use this one of these templates by going to about. Just click it and it will appear on your website. For example, after clicking the about, you just go in here. We just try the short story about us, and it will automatically appear on your website. To remove any elements from your page, you just go on select. For example, this one, you want to delete it, you can select it and click on delete. Or if you want to change this one or this one or this one and this one, you can also change that and replace it. Just like in here, I just click this one and then I want to delete, so I just click on delete. And for example, you want to delete all of the section, this one, just go in here and just click on delete. Now, for example, you want to edit something on your portfolio that you already done, just go on portfolio. And then you can change this one or this one or this image by clicking on this one and then erase that and put another title, for example. And then you can also add different kind of styles. This one and bold, if italic or underline, so it's up to you. So this one, if you click this, you can change that also. If you like to add more, something like that, you can add in here. Now, for example, you want to add a new page from your website. Just when you see this thing, you just go on the left side and click on here. And then at the bottom, you just go in there and click on add page. You can start with new empty page, or you can also choose again the about section. For example, I choose this one on the about. So you just click on the about and then here, just click it. And then you can see in this navigation menu, you can see the about section. And also on the left, on this side, you can also see the about section. If you want to put this, for example, in here, you want to put the portfolio on the first place, you just go in here and click on the portfolio and long press your mouse and click it in here. Just go in here and click it in here. Drop and drag. Now, to customize the header, this is the header on the top of your website. We just customize this one. To edit the header, this header, just click on it and then go to edit header here. On the first one, you can see the layout and you can change the logo if it's visible in what position. For example, now the position of the logo is in the here, so you want to change in the middle, and when we choose the middle, the logo will be in here. And you see this one, your main menu is in this portion. Now let's go in the elements. You can show your logo by clicking this one, show social icons and show button. So if you want to add the show social icons, just this one open, and then you see in here it will appear on your website. When they click this, it will go to your own Facebook page, for example, or your Instagram, or in your LinkedIn and your X. And this one, layout elements, we are done with it. So now let's go to logo. You just create your own image, or you just replace this image by clicking replace image. And also in style, you can see the header, and this one, transparent header, you can also change the text font and header text color. For example, the header background, you change the header background and you just click in here and then it will appear on your screen and it will change this portion. So this is the header background, so that you can change this one. This is the logo, this is the header background, and this is the navigation or pages. This is the social icons that you can see in the elements. And of course, every website have a footer. So this is the footer of your website, and you can change also this one. So if you want to edit this one, for example, you want to edit this one, just click on it, and then you can change the header size, this one header size, and everything you can change in here. Of course, if you want to change your website styles like the colors, typography, or something else, you just click on here on this portion. This is the different colors, you can click on it, for example, or this is the fonts, you can change also the buttons and the animations. Now, after changing it, for example, you change that, just don't forget to click again your website so that you can see if it's also in a line. And after that, if you are finished to go to your website, just click on this one, this portion, so that we can go back. And click on the buttons. You can see the primary buttons, primary and primary. We have also the secondary buttons. Regarding the animations, this is about how it will appear on your page. For example, you just click in this one, and then this, it will appear different in here, just black first, and then the picture the next. So you can just go into it and just try, so you see the difference. And after that, of course, if you are finished, just go on the X here, and it will see your website list. You just go to here, contact. So you can customize your contact here. Then first, you just click on here on this side so that you can edit the form. You can see this one in your screen, and you can change this contact form. So you can also change this one. And also you can change the email address. Under fields, you can also click this one. You just click this add new form field in here at the down button and click on short answer. Or you can click the short answer here and then just fill this one. And click on remove field. And you can also rearrange this one, your first name, your message, by dragging this one, drag and drop. For example, long press this thing, and then you just drag this in here and then drop it there. So under button, you can change this one, button text. So this is the button text here. You can change this one. And also you can change this one, thank you for matching us. So here, you just click that and change it. For example, is thank you very much. So somebody go to your website, this is appear on your website. For example, they will create a name, their email address, and their message in you, and then send a message. So in your email, you can see the email of your customer, for example, or your client. It will appear this in your email. So congrats, you have a new message. And then the website of you, and then this email, and then what your client looking for. So for example, they look like a photo shoot, something like that. It will appear in here, and then you just view forms. Now, if you want to reply on this email, so you just go and reply in here. So after that, if you are finished trying to do some images, so let's go back here on the three dots. This is the website builder, and just go all the way down here in three dots and click on form submissions and click on blue list, and you can see the list of the forms that someone submits you. For example, someone's email you, you can see in here on the three dots. Now, for example, you want to add a blog on your website, you just go on the three dots and click on blog in here, click start a blog, and automatically it will add on here in this portion the blog page. And you can edit also here, just click on that, or you can edit also the image, just click on it. To create that, you can also have here the 4 different blog posts. And to create a new blog post, you can also add new posts. You can also create a blog post using AI by clicking on this one, tone of voice. It's up to you what tone of voice you like to add, and the length and content, how many words do you want, and the blog post description also. This is very important. So there is a tips here by creating your market campaigns that skyrocket sales and strengthen your brand. So how can you market your blogs or your website? It's up to you. The description, and then after that you can create the content using the AI. Or also you can also skip and write by yourself by clicking on skip, and I write it myself here. Now, for example, I write using AI. So just click on here, the tone of voice. So you just have the formal, neutral, and the casual here. And then just create a description here, and then the length of content, and then click on creating content. So now we have here the AI created contents or blogs for our website that will appear here. 10 tips for capturing amazing surf images. Then after that, if you are done with this one and you are happy with that one, you just click on status, and instead of draft, you just click on public here, so that if you click the blog, it is visible in here. So this is the example, 10 tips for capturing amazing surf images. This is the example of that one. Now, for example, you want to add an e-commerce store on your website. You just go in here on the shopping basket and then select add store. Then it will create the new store page here in this portion, and it will appear on your website, this one. So just click on this portion and click on manage store. Just set up your store here, the store country and the currency. And here is the dashboard, and you can add your products in here. Just click on add product, and also you can set up your payments here in this portion. Add your company information if you have, of course. Update your company information, and also by clicking here on the arrow down, so you can see the review shipping, the shipping. Now let's go back to the editor and edit website. So now you are done on doing your website, and before publishing your website, it's important to look at this portion. Go to the three dots again here and click on general settings. You can see here the favicon. You can update that. So if you don't know the favicon is, I will show you. You can add the image in here. So this is very small. This is the example of the favicon in Google. For example, in Shopify, for example, this is the favicon of the Shopify. When someone search you on the Google, it will appear on the upper side of your laptop or your screen, and it will appear there is an image after. For example, this is the Shopify. For example, this is the Hostinger, and this is the YouTube. So that is the favicon. But make sure if you upload the image here on your favicon, it is very clear, or this is because this is small. So if you are, for example, is surf, you just only put the S so that someone will recognize your favicon. Because if it's too tricky, they can't see clearly, because this is very small. And as you can see on YouTube, YouTube favicon, it's cool. It's a color red, and also only the icon of the videos. And after that, for example, you already put your favicon. You just click on link preview image by clicking on update here. Click on this one and make sure that it is 1200 by 630 pixels only. And just click on save image or save changes if done. And click on X here. And then go to the three dots again. And click on SEO settings. And then click on about page. And then click on general new SEO info. And in SEO, you can describe the contents of your website. For example, the about page introduces me as a fashion and surf photographer. It's up to you. What do you want to page description on your about this one, on your about page. And then click here on the next step and click on different 3 keywords for your page. For example, here, the surf photographer, the ocean photography, and so on. And then click on next setup. Now let's go back again. If you are finished to about page, go to store page. Just put the SEO title and here on the meta description also, and then do what you did before on the first in the about section, this one, and then click on X after. Now, of course, before on the start of the tutorial, I didn't put your own domain. So now let's go back to your domain, because before we skip that page, that we skip how to put the domain, and now let's go into it. Just click in here in the connect domain, Then type the domain name that you want. I recommend the short and easy to remember domain name. And if possible, just go to the .com domain name. For example, is serve.com, for example. Then click next here. Then change this one from personal to company. And then click on back to hosting your build. Then since we are done and we're finished, just go to go live. And it will appear on your screen. Your site is live now. Congratulations. You can also view your site here. Now, if you also want to set up your own email, business email on your website, just go in here, website builder, and click on website manager and go to main menu and go to emails. You can set up free email service and click on setup here and then choose the confirm here and make sure your select domain. This is the email of your select domain and click on select here, hosting the free. Click on the email address here and also the password. You can also check this one through where you would like to use your email account. It is in browser or in the recommended apps. So I will suggest that you click in this portion, Gmail, and click on desktop.